Hey, let me show you how we can speed up Samsung Galaxy A26. So first of all, start by opening settings, and now you will have to go into device care. It will be available right here. Open memory, and first of all, be sure that you are cleaning all the background apps. So it will close all of them and you will free up storage. Then it's highly recommended to use RAM Plus, switch from 4 into the 6 gigs, and now restart the device to apply those changes. Next, you should also go for the app protection. We are still in the device care, and you should actually scan your phone to check for some malware on or suspicious apps. If you have some kind of the issues right here, then be sure that you follow on-screen instructions, uninstall suspicious apps or files. Right now, you will have to go into the battery settings and be sure that you switch off the power saving mode, but also be sure that you go for the background usage limits and be sure that you turn on to put unused apps to the sleep mode. So this will free up RAM and reduce lag. Now let's go into the display. Right here, be sure that you switch from the 60 into 120 Hz refresh rate so you'll get very smooth animations. You can also try to go into the Google Play Store and try to use the light version of apps, like for example the Facebook, Messenger, because all of them are really heavy apps, take a lot of data and mobile data also, and try to use them in the browser to reduce load. Also, be sure that you remove from your phone all unused apps. So in my case, I can actually remove this application. So if you want to remove something, click and hold it and simply uninstall. You should also avoid using too many home screen widgets and live wallpapers as they use CPU and the battery constantly. So be sure that you have clear and smooth home screen without a lot of things. Also, we have to be sure that you are running on the latest software. So you can check this by going to the settings. Now move into device care. And right here, we can go into the software update. So sometimes Samsung actually release the new updates and it's improving performance improvements. And it's actually improve your performance. Now you will have to start from the settings one more time and open Google section. Then go to the all services. And right here, you will have to go for devices and switch off the scan for nearby devices. And you will have to go back and go for security and the privacy. Now move into the more privacy settings. And here, switch off to send diagnostic data, but also scroll at the bottom, go here and also turn off this one, usage and diagnostics. Next, you will have to go back and go into the connections, go into more connection settings, be sure that you turn off nearby device scanning, open printing, and turn off default print service. Right now you will have to also go below into the advanced features and you have to check for game mode. There's the game booster that will allow you to turn on the performance mode when you are playing some games. Also, we have to remember to restart your Samsung A26 every few days to clear memory and close stuck background processes. So you can simply do this by holding, for example, the power key and clicking on the restart button. It's also pretty useful if you delete some old files. So if you have a full storage, it can actually slow down the phone. So be sure that you remove things like unnecessary files or screenshots and old downloads. You can do this by going into the settings one more time, then go into device care, move into your storage, and here just take a look for some unused apps, duplicated files, large files, and also you can empty your recycle bin.